Hi, and welcome to Watch the Time and my unboxing of another watch. And as you will see, it's another Steeldive watch. Again, I purchased from Steeldive UK, and I bought this again with my own money, no discounts or anything. I think they're good value, and I'm you know how impressed I am if you've seen my previous videos on the SD1970. It's a stunning watch. It's got a couple of little, I'd say they're more kind of, they're not imperfections as such, they're quirks. I had to replace the clasp on mine, but it was a well worthy sort of £6 or £8 upgrade, and that's worked really well. Other than that, keeps perfect time. It's a wonderful watch. So I thought I'd give another one a go. So just a quick wrist watch check. I'm still wearing the Tudor Black Bay 58. It's very difficult to get this off wrist, to be honest. Especially now it fits perfectly on the bracelet with my little modification with an extra hole drilled. So first of all, let's talk about the fact that this is obviously another homage to a Seiko, and my feeling on it is, as long as it doesn't say Seiko on the dial, it's not a problem. It's got a Seiko movement in it, so the fact that they're using a Seiko case style is not an issue for me. And I still maintain that people like me, an average watch enthusiast, who, I mean, I can dabble, I can replace a crystal, I can regulate a watch, no problem at all. I've happily regulated my Omega Speedmaster, for instance, so I'm happily taking expensive watches to bits, but what I'm not happy to do is to risk paying a ridiculous amount of money on a Willard or a 62 MAS from Seiko, a vintage piece, and not really know what I'm getting myself into, or being able to sort it out without costing a lot of money. And it's so easy to fall foul to people who have made Franken watches and different things. I think this is a really good option if you like the design, the cushion case design of the Willard is beautiful, so comfortable. I've got this morning. I've taken it out of the packaging box, but I haven't taken it out of this little box. Cheap and cheerful, these little boxes, and they do have a use. Right, so there we go. Again, usual very simple packaging. We've just got the Steeldive warranty card, and here's the watch. So my preconceptions of this watch are that it's going to have crazy AR coating like that one, and other than that, it's going to be pretty good quality. I've got it on just a black rubber strap. Well, I can see the AR coating already, but wow, it's already running. That's a good looking watch. That is a good looking watch. Right, I'm going to get some cling film off. Just having a little look around the watch. I'm looking at the quality of the polishing and the brushing. I think we've got some more stickers. Let me just give the watch a clean up. Right, so I've just given it a quick clean. It just needs a wipe over. Polished sides. I didn't realise it was polished sides, this one, and then it's brushed on the top. Quality of the polishing and the brushing looks really good. I know you're picking up some stuff there. It just needs a decent wipe over. But it looks pretty good. I'm not going to go too much into specs for this one. It's size-wise and that. I'll do that in the main review. This is just the unboxing and my first impressions. Just get that hang tag off. So we've got a domed sapphire crystal on this one, which is really nice. I'd wish that's what they had on the Willard. Is that a ceramic bezel? I think that's a ceramic bezel insert. A handset, really nice. Nice bit of distortion there. There's the blue AR coating, but I'm not picking the blue up horrendously like on the other one. Lovely big signed crown, drilled lugs. I've got a waffle strap to put it on, but I've got no issue with these straps other than the Steeldive splattered all over there. But all you do with these is just turn them round, just like that. They're just a bit overboard with their branding when it comes to their straps. So just turn the keepers round, and it just makes it a little bit more subtle. You've got their logo. which, depending on which way up people look at it, you see different things, but it's a mask, fins and dive tanks. I like it. Oh, there's a sticker on there, let's get that off. Yeah, what does it look like now? Answer the postcode. So we've got NH35, automatic movement, 200 metres, all stainless steel. Let's see what the bezel action is like. Yeah, that's alright. A bit of movement there, a bit of play, but this cost me £144. So it's a bit more expensive than the SD1970. I don't know why that is particularly. Lines up okay. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's more expensive. Same issue there, look, that doesn't quite line up, same as on the other one, to be honest, but I haven't got a problem with that for this kind of price. Right, so let's get it on wrist. So I feel that this is a slightly more chunky watch than the SD1960, but that's just the design, I think, of it. I've never handled a 62 MAS, so I can't tell you about the size of it, but my wrist is just over, oh, there's the AR coating, is just over, whoa, on the ceramic as well. My wrist is just over 7¼ It sort of fluctuates between 7¼ 7½ inches. That's for your reference, and this sits on my wrist actually really nicely. Really nicely. Yeah, I'm liking that a lot. I like the big unguarded crown. It's got that, you know, this is vintage done right. They've not overdone the patina or anything like that. They haven't gone mad on it. It's just, I really like it. I really like it. I like the second hand with the pip. I always prefer the pip on the second hand on the outer edge, like on the end of the second hand, rather on the counterbalance. I like the little traffic light one on the Willard, but I like this little square one as well. So on the dial, it's fairly plain. We've got waterproof. That's interesting. 200, 24 joules, and Steeldive and their logo. So they've kept it nice and clean on the dial. I'm pleased with that. The date integration, I can live without it, but it's on there. It's fine. It's well done. Personally, I prefer a watch with no date. I just prefer the symmetry of it. You know, if I had a choice, I would always go no date, but it doesn't offend me to have the date, and it's, you know, let's face it, it's a useful function. The strap is really comfortable. I knew that from the previous one. Quite like the strap, so I am going to put probably a waffle on it. But yeah, so far so good. What I'll do is I'll wear this for a few days. I'll check the accuracy, and then when I do my full review, we'll get to see a little bit more of it. I will add in here a lume shot, because I was expecting great things from the lume, because there's big markers. There's plenty of place for lume. I'm imagining this is going to be a lumed ceramic bezel insert with that light blue colour, the same as the 1970. And these watches are all night lume. You know, they're visible all night, so they're great. But so far, I am liking this a lot. A lot. So thanks for watching this initial unboxing. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in a few days once I've really got to know this watch for a full review. Cheers, bye.